Kerak Shalfungo Tipra Mothani Supremo Maharaja Pradut Kishore Debormani Tuidul Mumbai Ministry of Home Affairs Northeast India ni Advisor A.K. Mishra by Malaikha Tipra Mothani Ozamarok Malaimani Jorao Greater Tipra Lendi Shanmung Noti Shaka Tipra Mothani Supremo Maharaja Pradut Kishore Deborma Paithago Belai Lerei Hinpano Tangshalo Hasteo Fai Shokfake Ministry of Home Affairs Northeast India ni Advisor A.K. Mishra Tangshalo MBB Birkung Kholawa A.K. Mishra no Lam Shogaina Harka Tipra Mothani Supremo Maharaja Pradut Kishore Deborma MLA Bishoketu Debormate Edisini EM Daniel Deborma Hasteo Fai Shokfake no Puilano Hastani Montri Okra Dr. Manik Shahabe Malaikha A.K. Mishra Abon Yagulo Montri Shuklacharan Nuati ani Tang Nogotangai IPF Tini Joto Haste Ozamarok by Koksa Panda Klaika Ministry of Home Affairs Northeast India ni Advisor A.K. Mishra Abon Yagulo Kerak Shalfungo BJP ni State Vice President Eba TRPCN ni Chairman Patal Koina Jomatiani Tuidul Mumbai Northeast India ni Advisor A.K. Mishra by Malaikha BJP Jonajati Morcha Te Yuba Morcha ni Ozamarok Abon Yagulo Kerak Shalfungo na Tipra Mothani Supremo Maharaja Pradut Kishore Debormani Tuidul Mumbai Ministry of Home Affairs Northeast India ni Advisor A.K. Mishra by Malaikha Tipra Mothani Ozamarok Malaimani Jorao Greater Tipra Lendi Shanmung Noti Shaka Tipra Mothani Supremo Maharaja Pradut Kishore Deborma Piaba Greater Tipra Lendi Shanmung Noti Yei Hakotor Hafangni Bekak Tamo Firok Mung Faino Abo Borok Hastani Lukurok no Shirai Shatung Hanoi Shaka Tipra Mothani Supremo Maharaja Pradut Kishore Deborma
हुआ है हमने अपना जो बात रखना था हमने रख दिया उनके सामने हमने अपने इशू में कोई डिमांड को भी डाइल्यूट नहीं किया है जो हमारा पुराना इशू है वही इशू हमने रखा है सामने ग्रेटर तिप्रा लैंड का अब गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को कम बैक करना है कि उनके व्यू में हमारे तिप्रा का भविष्य के लिए क्या सोल्यूशन वो रख सकते हैं तो हमने अपना पॉइंट रख दिया है उन्होंने सुना है अब उनके बॉल उनके कोर्ट में
वो क्या बोला मिस्टर सर
वो जो भी बोलेंगे राइटिंग में देंगे आप उनसे पूछ लीजिए उसने क्या बोला लेकिन हमने जो भी बोला है अपने कम्युनिटी के लिए बोला है अपने बारे एक डिमांड नहीं किया कम्युनिटी के बारे में
Sir, as you said the greater Tripura land and you have also raised the issue of constitutional solution. What type of constitutional solution would be good for this?
We have asked, according to us, a separate administration and a demand for greater Tipra land is the final solution. And we have put that point across to him very clearly and we have given our reasons. If the government of India has a better idea, then we should come back to us with a better idea in writing and we will consider it. We are not unconsiderable people. But the fact is that much like any community which has been deprived for such a long time, it is our point of view to put up our demand which is within the constitution and a demand for greater Tipra land is very much within the constitution of India.
So two issues, one is the Cockborok issue, has that been raised and another is
language is inherent to our demand. When Pakistan tried to impose Urdu language to the people of East Pakistan, the Bhasha Andolan started and that's why Pakistan also broke up into two pieces and Bangladesh was created. So it is in the people should understand that language cannot be dominated and whether it is Kok Tiprasa, Kaugru or Kok Borok, whatever it is a language of the indigenous people and our language should be respected and our script and our demand for our script should also be respected.
And about the direct funding to the TTH, is that?
It's all within the demand of greater Tipra land. Anything that we have demanded, everything comes under the demand of greater Tipra land. We don't want to go piecemeal. Our demand is very much constitutional and we have put up a point. Now, it is up for the government of India to react and to honor what we are saying and also to acknowledge that the indigenous people of Tripura haven't been treated with equal representation or equal justice.
सर किस के साथ मीटिंग हो रहा है आप लोग
वो आप उनसे पूछ लीजिए मैं तिप्रा मोथा का फाउंडर होकर मैं आया हूँ हमारे साथ
अभी जो समाजपति है उसके
वो आप उनसे समाजपति से पूछ लीजिए वो ज़्यादा पता चलेगा
Ministry of Home Affairs Northeast India ni Advisor A.K. Mishra by Malaimani Jorao Tipra Mothani Supremo Maharaja Pradut Kishore Deborma no Karaibo Manjakha Opposition Party ni leader Onimes Deborma TTAADC ni Chairman Jogadish Deborma CEM Purno Chandra Jomatiate Tipra Mothani President Bijoy Kumar Rangkhol no Khoboi Tipra Mothani Kubun MLA MDC te EM Rock Raja Khoraguli ni Shimi Shalchang ni Kokthum Chini Khorang